Hi guys, it's me Nezzy. So I wanted to do a follow-up today on yesterday's video. So remember you guys, I was telling you that my sink was runneth over. The pipes underneath my kitchen sink, let me turn it around, right here was leaking water yesterday. So I'll link that video to this video at the end of this video, so that way you can see what I'm talking about. Come to find out, my guy friend came by this morning, and this was disconnected from here. So he pushed the black part back down into the white part. Why does it look like it's not clear? And no more running water right there. So let me show you. Dun, dun, dun. See what I'm saying? No more running water, guys. However, I need to put everything away off my sink. So, like I was telling you guys in the previous video, if you're a single woman, it's always to have it's always good to have at least 3 men in your life for 3 different reasons. Or maybe for the same reason, whatever it is. Doesn't mean you have to have sex with them. It's just good to have them for standby purposes. I made one phone call yesterday. He said he'll be over here tomorrow morning. He came over 15 minutes. He said no wonder it's running like that, because the black thing was off the... I'm out of breath. I just got through cutting grass. That's why I look crazy. And it just got hot. So, and I saw that. I saw that the black pipe was not connected to the white pipe, but I didn't want to mess with it because I didn't know what I was doing. But that's all it was. So he said, so like all this stuff, my cleaning agents, stuff like that, when I was putting my stuff down here, it must have been like, I'll show you. So you know how you take stuff, slam it down like, you put it down like this. And I guess throughout the years, all that bumping and banging knocked the white pipe off the black pipe and caused all that water. So thankfully it wasn't the garbage disposal and all that other good stuff. All right, I am in my basement. Now you can see all of the water damage that was coming from the kitchen. Look at that. Even the water was coming down in my light right here. I got really scared because I thought that the water would blow out the light bulb or cause some type of, some type of electrical problem. So guess what? Now I got to buy all these panels all over again because of the water damage. I don't want my ceiling to look like a pee-pee stain. Pee-pee stain ceiling. I mean, the water was running all the way down to here. So I had to buy all these little panel things all over again. Oh. All right, guys. So I'm out of breath because I was out there in that heat, and my heart rate is up because I was, oh, you gotta hurry up. So today I did cut the grass, and all I did was just cut. I didn't trim or anything. I just wanted to get the craziness out because it was looking crazy. And when you stay on the corner house, you have to make your house has to look good if you stay on the corner. But it hasn't been looking good as it normally does, but that's okay. I'm gonna show you my bathroom I was telling you about in my previous video that was eaten by termites. Here we go. So up in the ceiling, this is a whole new bathroom, guys. Not new, I got it done in 2013. But I got some flooring and stuff down there too. But when the termites ate my bathroom up, they were all around. All you saw was wood and mud tunnels all the way up in the ceiling. All right, here goes my shower curtain. And who wants to see a toilet? But it's a very tiny little bathroom. Tiny little bathroom. So I also want to tell you guys, I meant to tell you in yesterday's video, I know it's emphasizing not to buy condos, but there's a reason why I say don't buy any condos. The HOA, the Homeowners Association that runs, well, they think they run it. They are gangsters though. They run the community, condominiums and houses. They want to make sure the property, they want to make sure everything looks good. So if you want to deal with people hounding you about little minute stuff, and you don't mind paying a lot of fees, that's the place to live. But like I was saying yesterday, if you can avoid living in condominium or HOA. That's what I meant to say. HOA community, you'll be better off because they don't play. So like my grass was cut last week, but it had been rain. No, it hasn't. Anyway, I missed a week of cuts. I missed 1 week of cutting my grass, and had I done that in a community of HOA people, they'd have fined me to death. And if I didn't pay it, they'll put a lien on my house, or they'll send me to court, or take me to court and make me pay the attorney fees, all that kind of stuff. So if you want a little bit more leniency, don't go with an HOA ever in life. Don't do condominiums. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this little 2-piece series. I'm going to hop in the shower, clean my body off, cool down, upload this video, and I'll see you in the next one. I did not realize that video was going to help you guys as much as I did. I just picked my phone up yesterday out of frustration. I said, I need to show somebody this water coming up out of my pipes like that. And I didn't think that video was going to be anything like that, you know? But I thank you for responding and tell me that the video was helpful. But it's always something, guys. If you want to be a homeowner, just strap on your boots and be ready for the ride. All right, guys. So I know I ended the video. My hair looks so crazy. I had to wear a protector over my hair. But anyway, so I'm missing like 2 minutes worth of footage, and I thought I'll just sit here and kill 2 minutes right here just to have an 8-minute or more video. So if you're ever looking to be a YouTuber, if you are monetized, if you have a video that's 8 minutes or more, you get to put a little bit more ads in your video. So I don't like a lot of ads in my video because it gets to be a little interrupting, but some people don't mind. I'm gonna take my boots off because it takes me about 2 minutes to take my boots off. So baby, these are construction boots. These are good for concrete. And if you are in your yard cutting your grass and doing stuff, it is best to have on some boots, not tennis shoes. These shoes has a hard toe, and my feet don't get tired because they're designed for concrete. He just always got to be in my mix. So, oh, these socks here, these are my mushroom socks. Hope you can see. These are called, move, boy, move. These are called compression socks. And it is like 93 or 95 degrees outside today. And these are very, very cool. And my shirt is very cool. And my, these are shorts. Coverall shorts. See? These are cool. And I don't get hot in this. I got pockets. I can put my keys here and phone over here or whatever. So it's good to have some compression socks if you like compression socks. Now these are soft compression socks. They don't grip my leg out. Compression socks help keep the blood flowing. They keep my feet from hurting and sweating. So get you some good boots. No tennis shoes, because when you're out there in that yard, anything can happen. You might bump into something. Tennis shoes ain't gonna protect your feet and toes like some nice boots. And these are lightweight, they're not heavy. I got these from, where did I get these boots from? Wild something. I can't see. Anyway, here they are. Get you some of these kind of boots. What's these boots called? Oh, these are waterproof. That's a waterproof. But even if you work, like you work at Lowe's, that's where I used to work at all the time, Lowe's. They have all concrete and heat and stuff running over people's toes and stuff. And one of my co-workers at the time, he was doing something around a cart or something. Somehow he ended up bumping into a co-worker. Actually, 2 of my co-workers. This co-worker was younger though. He lost 2 toes, guys, because he's wearing tennis shoes. And my other co-worker, he was 77 last year or 78. He broke 3 toes, 2 or 3 toes, because he bumped into something. Guys, get you some nice boots. If I can remember the name of these boots, I don't know. Maybe I'll put it on the screen when I edit this video. All right, I'll take these socks off because I need to cool down faster. But these socks are cool. I got my whole outfit from a place called Duluth, D-U-L-U-T-H. And when I was working at Lowe's, I saw a lot of females with, with these kind of little clothes on. So if you want some cute little girly garden clothes, go to Duluth and order you some. See, I even got Duluth on my socks. Duluth, D-U-L-U-T-H. So I like to take my boots off sometimes before I go in the house. But then other times I don't care because I just clean the carpet anyway. Alright guys. I hope you like this this last part of this video. It was random. Like my video I posted yesterday was random. I didn't know it was going to be so helpful. Alright. Let the garage down. Let it down. Alright. I gotta get in the shower. I am overheated and I'm thirsty. For real, this time I'm gone. Thanks for hanging out with me these last few minutes. Bye-bye.